Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. So today I have for you the new pre-summer release from SUQQU. I got 2 of their products, but I also wanted to show you and do an unboxing. I purchased some jewelry from Michele Wang and I thought we would go unbox this together. So it comes in just one of the cardboard boxes like this. And when you open it up, it has her sticker on there. It's packaged so beautifully. Oh, and it comes in a leather case like this. Look at how pretty that is. And it says Michele Wang down there. When you open it up, here are the products I purchased. I purchased her rose gold earrings with the black diamonds. Can you see that? See the black diamonds on there? So I thought we would put these on today. Let's see if I can show this to you better. So I just opened it up and it closes like that, and it's got the black diamonds right there. And I wear all my jewelry, you can see, is all rose gold. So I knew that this would be a great fit for me. So let me go ahead and try these on. Can you see how pretty that is? Isn't that so pretty? And of course I wanted to support Michele in all her endeavors. I did not end up getting the scarves because I'm always hot, so I would have only been purchasing it to support her because I never wear scarves. I'm always hot and sweaty and I'm going through perimenopause, so I'm always sweating like I am right now. So there is the earring. Isn't it gorgeous? So I'm so happy to have these. Look at that. Okay, and now we're gonna go on to our pre-summer SUQQU release. Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. I have for you the SUQQU release, the pre-summer release for summer 2021. I was not able to get the items when they were first released on Selfridges because I was on vacation, but I did get 2 items, so I thought I would show that to you today. First, I'm gonna start off with the SUQQU powder foundation. And I'm going to put this on. I have already prepped my face. I do like to just use a sponge that's in here and put this on because I find that it gives me a good medium coverage. And I do really enjoy this foundation, so I wanted to use it today. And if you're interested in any of these, I will have them linked down below. The foundation, the powder foundation comes in 2 separate packs. You gotta buy the refill as well as the compact, because initially I just bought the compact or the refill thinking it came with it. That just means I didn't read it very well. But this is a really great color for me, and I think it's gonna work really well during the summer because it's just a little bit dark. With the cream foundation I have from SUQQU, it's just a little bit light. So, but I do really enjoy the SUQQU formulas of everything they have so far. I haven't had anything from them that I didn't like. I love their eyeshadow formulas. I love their lipstick formulas. Even their liquid lipsticks I think are so comfortable. I really enjoy everything from SUQQU. So it's one of my favorite brands, honestly. And I am 49, in case you didn't know. I do have mature skin and major hyperpigmentation, as you saw. And this gives me a good medium coverage. I don't expect foundations that don't claim to be full coverage to be full coverage. So it's always important to set your expectations correctly when you're trying out products. And SUQQU is known for their soft formulation and soft, beautiful, sophisticated looks. So there's that. Okay, so I put on my foundation. Let me go put on my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's unbox this eyeshadow palette. So I got mine in the color 102. I missed out on the purple one. It comes in the sleek SUQQU packaging with the SUQQU embossed down this way. And this is what the palette looks like. Look at how pretty that is. Let's go ahead and swatch this. I'm gonna go around like this. Let me take these out. Now you know I love the SUQQU formulation. And the thing with SUQQU, it's not like an intense look, although you can build up their formulas. Ooh, that one's intense. Ooh, so is that. So let's go ahead and try this on our eyes. You can see this one here is like a duochrome. Can you see that? And this is like a topper shade. Ooh, I don't know how I want to do my face or my eyes. I'm going to take a small buffer brush and I'm going to go into this one right here, and I'm going to take that, and it does pick up a lot of product, and I'm going to put it on the outside of my eyes. and bring that in just a little bit. And I'm going very light. And I did prep my eyes with the Makeup by Mario Prep and Set. So I am just focusing this on the outside and bringing it in just a little bit. Let me do that on this eye. Then I'm going to take a flat shader brush and go into this duochrome kind of a color and take that and put that on my entire lid. Now I think I want to bronze it up a little bit. So I'm going to go into my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and I have mine in the color medium. And I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that and blend that into my crease just a little bit, just to ground it a little bit. It's just a little too pink for me. So let me ground that down just a little bit, and I think that's so much better. And then I want to be sure to use this color right here on my lid. So I'm just going to take my finger like this and press that in just into the center inner portion of my eye. See how that makes it bling a little bit more? But it's a subtle look, which I appreciate. It's like great for mature eyes. I'm taking a tiny pencil brush. This one is from Rephr, and I'm going to go into this color and deepen out. Actually, I'm going to go into this color right here and put that on the outer portion, or the outer two-thirds of my lower lash line. Then I'm going to wipe that off and go into this deeper one and just do the outer 1/3 V. Let me tightline my waterline, put on my mascara, and we'll be back to do blush. Okay, I've tightlined my waterline and put on my mascara. Let's try the blush. So there was only one blush available. The one I wanted was the orange one, but that was already sold out. So I got mine in 126, and this is what that color looks like. So let's go ahead and swatch this. I'm going to swatch this here, here, then here. So those are the 3 swatches. And let me do this right here. Isn't that pretty? I think what I'm going to do for today is I'm going to use a mixture of that. I didn't put bronzer on yet because I wanted to show these colors. Actually, let me put on the highlighter. I'm going to put the highlighter on, and I'm just going to use my Sonia G, what is this? The Detail Pro brush. And I'm going to take a little bit of that and stipple that onto the high points of my cheeks. See how it gives that subtle glow? Yet it takes the attention away from my hyperpigmentation, which is always my goal. And I know that's not the goal for most people with highlighter, but that's my goal. See how it already takes the attention away? Now I'm going to take a blush brush, and I'm going to go into this pink side right here. And you can see it already picked up a lot. And I'm going to start in the back and just kind of stipple my way in. And the thing with this is it's so beautiful, and you can build it up. And isn't that pretty? And it blends beautifully with that highlighter. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. I need a little bit more here. Okay, let me go ahead and put on my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and I'll be right back. Okay, I put on my bronzer, my face is on. Now let's go ahead, and I was not able to get any of the lip colors that was released, so I have my liquid lipstick here in the color 105, and I'm just going to use this. This is one I already had from a previous release. Isn't that a pretty color? And these liquid lipsticks from SUQQU are so comfortable. So that's all the products that we have so far. So let's go ahead and talk about these products. This eyeshadow palette, it performs well, but it's not my favorite. I think it's because it's too red. And you know, Chanel had a lot of red releases, and I wasn't too thrilled. I was hoping this would lean more pink, which it does in the duochrome colors here. And it's pretty. So I don't regret buying it, but I would recommend you purchase one of their other products. One of the signature color eyeshadows that they came out with the previous release. I prefer those colors over this one, but it performed beautifully. You can see that there. And the blush is beautiful. I have never been disappointed with the SUQQU blush. And this one is so bright, and yet it's buildable. I think it's so pretty, and the highlight is subtle, yet takes the attention away from my hyperpigmentation. great. And I already knew I loved the lip color. So there you have it. That is the pre-summer release from SUQQU, and also the earrings by Michele. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you next time.